Hello everyone, it's Berlin with Locks by B, and I am back with another video. If you are interested on how I created these beautiful lock petals, just stay tuned. And also, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So I'm spraying my hair with my mist spray bottle, and I'm also going to oil my scalp with some organic tea tree oil. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to start with my flat twist. I'm going to flat twist one side of my head. And what I'm doing is just twisting. And as I'm twisting, I'm adding another lock to it. And then I'll put the rubber band on the end to secure it. So I'm going to be adding some lock petal on the other side, which I've already started off camera. So what you want to do is fold your locks in half. Because my hair is a little bit longer, I have to fold it twice. So what I do is I fold the hair in half and then I fold it in half again. And I secure it with the rubber band. I do have some locks that are shorter than the others. So what I try to do is I measure the length of each lock and I try to pair it with one that's close to the length. So I'm using two locks to create each petal. Some people use one, some people use more. It depends on how thick your hair is or how fine it is.
Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why are you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Got me singing, got me singing, now we're running in the rain. Oh, I can see a better day. Oh, come in, so get ready for the sun. Oh, yeah, girl, I promise it will come. I have always loved you. In my mind, I thought you knew. Though the rain pours down, I will be around. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, the love we have is true. Don't you know that it's true? There is something special in you. Oh, I know. So come rain or shine, I'll be by your side. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be running with you, rain or shine. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Girl, I love you. Rain or shine. Oh, let's go running in the rain. I'll be running. Girl, I love you in the rain. Let's go running in the rain. Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left, oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Let's go running in the rain. I've been there and back again. I know how to fix a heart. Love's the cure right from the start. Oh, the love we have is true. There is something special in you. Since your sun has set and the clouds are all that's left. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Oh, let's go running in the rain. There you'll wash away the pain. We'll be running side by side till we cross the finish line. Oh, the love we have is real, and in time your heart will heal. Since there's no sunshine, just thundering in the sky. Oh, let's go running in the rain. Got me singing, oh. Got me singing, now we're running in the rain. Oh, I can see a better day. Oh, come in, so get ready for the sun. Oh, yeah, girl, I promise it will come. I have always loved.
Once again, thank you for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video and also if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share.